What's going on YouTube? It's Scooby Drew here, and I'm here to welcome you guys to the channel. This channel is brand new, dedicated to Subarus, the Subaru community, new products coming out. Anything revolving around Subarus will be covered on this channel. For those of you who don't know who I am or who don't follow me on Instagram, my name is Andrew. I'm 25, based out of northern New Jersey. I drive a 2016 WRX STI in white. And I have a partial sponsorship with the people over at GrimmSpeed, so I'm super excited about that. And I'm starting this channel to do product reviews, anything Subaru related, covering the events, the shows, Wicked Big Meat, Boxer Fest, stuff like that. So if you guys are into that stuff, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you smash that like button. Also, installation videos, I forgot about that. But yeah, as the channel grows and as we do more and more videos, you will know a lot more about me and a lot more about the car once I get it back. So please be patient with me. Bear with me. It's killing me every day that goes by that I don't have my car. And I just couldn't wait anymore. I just had to do this video because I have 3 boxes from GrimmSpeed that I'm super excited to open. Unfortunately, I can't install them until I get my car back. And it's just annoying, and it's really irking me every day that goes by that I do not have my car. It just, I don't know. But without further ado, let's just get into these boxes. Let's get into this unboxing. Because I just can't wait anymore. Trusty Harbor Freight box cutter. Can't go wrong with this. Box number 1. It's a huge one. Huge. As you can see, GrimmSpeed. Perfect packaging. I can't show you this because you guys will know my address. But without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing right now. And my dog just woke up. Boom. And we have it here. First of all, perfect, like beautiful packaging, I'm not gonna lie. Nice and sturdy. And I really haven't seen this in person. I haven't even seen anybody like in person with this part. So it's literally a first for me. But let's just see what we have. First of all, let's take it out the box. Bow. Alright, so as you can see, here we have it. The GrimmSpeed radiator shroud. And it's called wrinkle red or powder coat textured red or something. But as you guys can see here, GrimmSpeed has a radiator shroud right here. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure all of you guys know and have seen this in person. This is my first time actually seeing it in person. I do not know anybody that owns a Subaru with this particular part on. I've seen apparent ones, I've seen the J&A ones, I've seen a couple other, but I never seen a GrimmSpeed like in person, in hand. And I'll tell you guys right now, this thing is sturdy. I can't even bend it right now. It bends a little bit. It has like a little flex, I guess, when you install it. But other than that, it's not flimsy whatsoever. It has pretty good weight to it. But all in all, it just gives it that aggressive feel, especially with these holes right here. Gives it that aggressive feel, which I'm looking for. The red, you can't really, it actually looks a lot brighter. It looks a lot better in the camera. The GrimmSpeed logo. There's no stickers. I don't know what to call that, but it's not a sticker. It's like imprinted on or lasered. Laser, maybe. But yeah, that's part number 1. Oh, also comes with weather stripping, for the stock airbox vent. So make sure you guys put that on. Like I said, I'm going to do the installation video once I get my car back, but I just couldn't wait to open this. Comes with this, and obviously, you know, stickers and stuff like that. Little or big for the next box? Because I have like a small box, a medium box, and then the big box that I just opened. So I think we're just going to work our way down. We're going to do the medium box right now. And as you guys can see, perfect packaging. GrimmSpeed tape all the way around. Again, I'm not going to show you guys this side of the box. Harbor Freight. Straight down the middle. Hopefully I don't pierce anything. Because I don't know how they package these stuff. This stuff. And yeah. I need to get a better blade. Like, I want to have like one of those cool knives that people have on YouTube. Like, some people have like gold plated knives and like neochrome knives. Well, Harbor Freight does the job just as well. Alright, so we crack this open. First thing, when you look inside the box, I'm just gonna show it. Okay, it fell. Hardware. Two 10mm nuts and some hex screws. Hex screws, some Allen keys pretty much. We're gonna pull these out the box right now. Okay. There's nothing in the inside of the box as of right now that I know of. But as I flip this over, bow. See it right there. If you guys don't already know what this is, I'm super excited for this one. This one is the icing on the cake. The brand new GrimmSpeed fender shrouds that they just launched. I think it was Black Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Super excited about these. These, I really wish they had these when I had my old 05 STI, but I got rid of it. But yo, these. And then the GrimmSpeed is actually lasered in there. I don't know if you guys, if it'll focus. But the GrimmSpeed is lasered. It's like raised. These right here, I'm super excited to put on. Really, really excited about these. If I just had these, I'd be good. That's my dog being nosy. Bronx, out the box. The dog never listens to me. When he has boxes in front of him, he just does not listen. Here is the radiator shroud. It's actually a little bit heavier and a little bit thicker material. Same finish on a red. It's like a textured wrinkle red. So everything matches so far. Everything falls into place. So I'm just going to put these away because honestly, if I have my car right now, I'll be putting these on. So we're going to put these pretty things back in the box. Nothing else came in the box besides obviously the stickers that they send in every single package. So, can't wait to put those on. Can't wait to put those on. Super. Need my car back. And now the smallest box of them all. And you would think this box would be a lot bigger. Nah. Never works out like that. Rocks. Receipt. Card. More stickers. Can't go wrong with stickers. And then last but not least, the finishing touch to the saga is the GrimmSpeed alternator cover. Bronx. That's it. You're done. Is the GrimmSpeed alternator cover. I don't. Oh yeah, I do. It does come in hardware. That's taped to the bottom of the box. So bear with me. It comes with 2 Allen screws again, and I guess 2 spacers to clear out everything. But yeah, finishing touch to it. So now I have the full engine dress up kit from GrimmSpeed themselves. I'm gonna post everything. I'm gonna try to figure this out. Okay. So we have alternator cover, fenders, and radiator shrouds, all from GrimmSpeed. Everything red. You guys will realize why I got everything in red once you guys see my car. And if you guys stay tuned, ooh, super excited. Again, this is a lot thicker than both of those. And then obviously you can see the GrimmSpeed Bronx. Stop. As you can see, the GrimmSpeed logo is actually cut out. So you can see right through it, which is super dope. I like that. Yeah, like I said, that pretty much wraps up this video. Stay tuned for the installation. I just honestly, like, I wish I had my car back tomorrow so I could just install these. But you can't go wrong. Like I said, shout out to GrimmSpeed for the partial sponsorship. And honestly, shout out my girl for buying me this behind my back, and I had no idea. She actually bought me all this stuff, so thank you for that. And make sure you guys follow my Instagram, which will be right here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Smashed it. And yeah, let's just get the channel growing. Once I get my car up and running, this channel will be more active. This channel will be on. Ooh, see? Heavy. Once I get my car back, the channel is gonna grow. I have plenty of ideas for you guys. I have, like I said, the installation video. Do cinematic stuff with the car, B-roll, stuff like that. Like I'm just super excited to get this channel going. Just thank you guys all for supporting. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram, DM me. If you're from North Jersey, please DM me. We gotta definitely get a cruise going. I'm super excited about Wicked Big Meat for 2020, Boxer Fest for 2020, and just watch this channel grow, watch the car grow, and take this journey with me. So yeah, to all my fellow Scubaruians, yes, I just said Scubaroo. To all my fellow Scubaruians, make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, stay true, and tune in for the next one on the installation video. Thank you guys so much.